Okay, this is our aim tonight. With the kids in the background. I can't do anything.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up.
Somebody that's gonna satisfy your needs. Say you want somebody that's gonna give you space to breathe. Say you want somebody that's gonna put it down like me. You ain't gotta look no more, cause right here you see. Girl, I realized that you were mine when I looked in your eyes. So give me that good love when I'm in it. I don't need nobody else to fulfill it, but we can go another round if you willing. So baby, just enjoy the sound. Give me that good love when I'm in it. I don't need nobody else to fulfill it, but we can go another round if you willing. So baby, just enjoy the sound, cause I want nobody but you. Somebody that's gonna come and do you right. I know it's been a long time since you had it in your life. I just paid the bill on Netflix, baby, you should stay the night. Girl, you know I do anything, you ain't gotta be my wife. I'm willing to go all the way for you. I'm willing to go all the way for you. You won't give me everything, you don't give it to me at all. Come and feel so good inside you. So give me that good love when I'm in it. I don't need nobody else to fulfill it, but we can go another round if you willing. So baby, just enjoy the sound. Give me that good love when I'm in it. I don't need nobody else to fulfill it, but we can go another round if you willing. So baby, just enjoy the sound, cause I want nobody but you. Your love, your love, your love, I'll never have enough. It's something about your touch, cause girl, you changed my world. So give me that good love when I'm in it. I don't need nobody else, I don't need nobody. So we can go another round if you willing. So baby, just enjoy the sound. Give me that good love when I'm in it. I don't need nobody else to fulfill it. No, we can go another round if you're willing. So baby, just enjoy the sound, cause I want nobody but you.
Girl, you a diamond. Girl, you a star. So any other man that hurt you, he done went too far. You put the time in, you played your part. So any man that lost, he didn't know. So nobody find past you. You're such a lovely lady, and I know that you deserve somebody nice. Did I mention that I am single yet? I know you are the one, no. So whenever you need one to talk to, call me lady. You can always count on me, yeah. Girl, if you want, I can be your refuge. I'll come to your rescue. Girl, I'm here to impress you, yeah. And if you need, I can be.
Okay guys, so the beginning of this video was hell broke loose, but my eyes are completely done. The kids are asleep and now I can work. So for primer, we're going to use the whole Henriksen, if I pronounce that right. And I'm just going to rub that all over the face.
Your refuge, I'll come to your rescue, but first
You gotta excuse my nails, okay? Like they're half on and half off.
you should let him go. Oh, you gotta let him go. You should let him go. Only if you let him go. You argue every time, it's becoming too much. Always telling lies, I will never do such.
So my brows are not done yet, and usually when I do my brows last is when I wanted to have a little bit more of a natural finish, opposed to like really carving it out and making it look crisp.
If you realize that I'm not telling you to rush, but he will tell you that he's sorry and he love you so much. But how can anyone that love you do you so wrong? How can you just let it fly and let it go?
So in the corners of my eye, I just like to use a kind of fluffy blending brush just to blend that skin in with the eyeshadow that we put there. So you only want to do this if you're gonna do foundation after, because a lot of times like you bring the eyeshadow into the nose, like towards the nose, so when you put in the foundation it's like there's a little patch of like skin from where the eyeshadow is. So just want to make sure that's really blended nicely together.
Can't wait for you to go and tell him so long. It's bloody moon. Now baby tell me why. So baby tell me why you look sad every time. Why you just can't tell him bye. Me sing I make you cry. So baby tell me why you look sad every time. Why you just can't tell him bye.
Everything is like really coming together nicely once you see that concealer's on. It's like, god damn, who's that chick? I don't even know how long it's water been there, but water is life.
Me sing I make you cry. Girl, if you want, I can be your refuge. I'll come to your rescue. Girl, I'm here to impress you, yeah. And if you need, I can be your refuge. I'll come to your rescue. But first, girl, you gotta let him go. You should let him go.
I'm just under the eyes. I'm going to leave it like this because I'm now going to color the rest of my face.
You gotta let him go. You should let him go. Only if you let him go. Oh, yeah. You should let him go, my dear. I'll hold you down, no fear. So you can tell him I ain't going nowhere. I can never let him hold you ransom, particularly when I know that you are very awesome. And you know I'm handsome, yeah. And you know there ain't nothing I can handle, yeah. So girl, come wine for me. Girl, why your body down low? Wine with your body and soul. Ooh, girl, you make a man murder. Wine, girl, let your body roll. Cause every time you make a movie, thinking by you. So baby, tell him bye, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do my other eye offline and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I've brushed the setting powder off, so now it's time to bronze. I am going in with my favorite bronzer now. It's the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this one is in Caramel Cutie. For me, when I bronze my skin, then I'm like, bitch, now you're pretty. So if you can see, our nose is becoming so snatched. And now I'm going to use that powder brush again, and I'm just going to go in left and right motions to blend out any harsh line. Okay, so I'm going to pop some bottom lashes on and mascara my white ass lashes, and I'll be right back. So now we're gonna get to the fun part. So for the paint, I'll be using the Graftobian Clown White paint. I'm going to spray some Marabedesque in the... Well, actually no, this is not water activated motherfucking paint. This is activate by itself paint. I'm gonna be super hungry when I'm done. Joe, I love you, but we gotta cover your ass, boy. Okay guys, so here we... Oh, actually I gotta pick my hand white, but this is what the finished look looks like. And then I have my little brush here. And actually, let me paint my goddamn hands. Okay guys, so here is officially the finished look. And yeah. Okay, so I really do hope you like this. And yeah, I'm super excited.
Wish I could start